And now, your First Alert 5 weather.
And here we go, live look at America's Mountain. This is Pikes Peak here on the north side of Colorado Springs. Clouds look a little ominous out there, but we're not looking at any precip falling here in the Pikes Peak region. Currently, we're at a temperature of 73 degrees at this hour. Winds are now starting to get pretty strong out there, south at 25 miles an hour. Down south in Pueblo we go, where the current temperature is 78 degrees. Winds are a little bit lighter, still out of the south though at 17, and those wind gusts are going up there of 20, 30 miles an hour in some locations. Elsewhere around the region at this time, we've got temperatures out here on the plains to the upper 70s and lower 80s for the Arkansas River Valley, 77 for Canyon City, 74 for Walsenburg, 60s in the mountains, and even 59 for Saguache at this hour. Satellite and radar shows some of those clouds that you just saw at Pikes Peak streaking across anywhere between Colorado Springs and Pueblo all the way out towards the Kansas border. But south of Highway 50, you guys are looking at mostly clear skies and very nice conditions at this hour. Out to the east we go. We're out towards Missouri. That is what's left of that area of low pressure that moved over top of us last night and yesterday. But we're going to look to the west because this is where our weather is coming from. A bit unorganized at this point is what it seems, but it's covering a wide swath of real estate from Albuquerque all the way to Seattle. In this area of low pressure, it's going to be with us for the next couple of days. So let's kind of go through this here. You can see the counterclockwise swirl here in parts of eastern Oregon and western Idaho. This area of upper level low pressure will be with us and it'll cause regional problems over the next several days. Anything from strong winds to even rain and thunderstorms by the time we head towards next weekend. So this is a jet stream map, and this is what's going to guide this area of low pressure over the next couple of days. Keep your eye on this L because by Tuesday it'll move over towards Montana, and typically a track like this would continue to make it move off towards the east, but the energy here is going to split, and in fact that low itself is going to retrograde back into Nevada and parts of western Utah as we head towards Friday, and that's going to actually start to bring our temperatures down as we head towards next weekend. On the surface, this is what it looks like. Here's the cold front. It'll start to move on through during the overnight hours tonight. It'll bring with it some chances for rain and snow showers for the central mountains. We're not looking for anything down here in the lower elevations. And in fact, behind us, it'll clear on out of here. But a big part of that is because of the winds. And regionally, as I mentioned, this is what's going to cause a lot of those problems. High wind watches and warnings in effect from Wyoming all the way through Utah, western Colorado, down towards northern Arizona. And even we're going to be looking at some red flags warnings here for southern Colorado, all of New Mexico, and parts of southern Arizona. And this is spread out over the next several days. So let's go through this one by one here. Futurecast for tonight in southeastern Colorado. Here comes that cold front. Here comes the chances for rain and snow showers in the mountains. They're going to stay out towards the west. We're not looking for anything to leak out here onto the I-25 and the eastern plains. But by tomorrow afternoon, mostly clear skies. Still keeping clouds to the northern half of the state and chances for some of those rain showers and snow showers as well. Overnight lows, it's going to be mild out there, out towards the Kansas border with mid-50s for you guys. 40s along the I-25 corridor and 30s, maybe even below freezing for the mountains. And that just shows you the progression of that cold front. Now for tomorrow, the winds, as I mentioned, we're actually going to start this tonight at 10 p.m. because you can see the direction here coming out of the south. Very strong wind gusts. We're talking 30, 40, even 50 miles an hour in some locations. But then by tomorrow morning, we're going to see that cold front continue to move on through. The winds are going to move out of the west. It'll be downsloping winds, just not a warm downslope wind. And in fact, those winds are producing a high wind warning, and that goes from 9 p.m. tonight until 12 noon tomorrow. Anywhere you see the shade of gold here up along I-25 and out towards the west. And the fire weather warning, the red flag warning, that's going to be in effect for tomorrow. San Luis Valley, you guys actually have a red flag warning until 7 p.m. tonight, but then it's going to be reissued for tomorrow for all the areas that you see shaded in red until 10 p.m. Highs for tomorrow, it's going to be a nice one out on the eastern plains. 70s for you folks, 50s and 60s along the I-25 corridor and up on around the Pikes Peak region, even 50s for the San Luis Valley. But those temperatures, unfortunately, they're going to be going down over the next several days. Tuesday is going to be a little bit of a reprieve, still gusty winds, but then as I mentioned, that area of low pressure, it's going to stay with us. It's going to start pumping in some colder air as we head towards next weekend. Forecast looks like this. 61 for us here on Monday here in Colorado Springs. And here are those wind gusts. This graph starts at 1 a.m. tonight, and you can see those wind gusts 40 to 45 miles an hour all throughout tomorrow afternoon. Not only Monday, but Tuesday as well with those strong winds. maybe not as strong, maybe upper 30s to lower 40-mile-an-hour wind gusts, but still very strong for us here in the Pikes Peak region as well as in Pueblo. And then our temperatures start to move on down for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday with another chance of rain by next Friday.